Whoa.
There's something there.
Why does my nose look so dry? What is that? Hello? I literally look like Rudolph. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a birthday get ready with me. Yeah, I'm turning 17. Oh my god, I'm getting so old. It's weird because a lot of people still think I'm 15, so I'm kind of like, but yeah, I'm turning 17. Actually not my birthday today. I'm just celebrating with my fam tonight. We're going, I'll talk about it more in the video, but yeah, I'm turning 17. But before we get started with this video, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up, as well as turn on post notifications. There also will be a giveaway at the end of this video, so if you guys want to see what I'm giving away, all the ways to enter, and all that fun stuff, then make sure you guys just keep on watching till the end of the video. And before we get started with this video, I want to thank Kiss for sponsoring this video. They actually just came out with a new collection of lashes. It's the Kiss Lash Couture Triple Push-Up Collection. I'm going to tell you guys a lot more about it in the video, but yeah, it is $6.99, and they are available at Ulta, Walgreens, and Walmart. I'm actually really happy to show you guys these lashes are a way more affordable option. If you guys want to see me get ready for my birthday and go from this to this, then make sure you guys just keep on. Okay guys, so we're just gonna start off by priming the lids. You guys have that? I literally have like pink eye bags and it makes me look like I'm dying like all the time, so that's great. I don't feel like wetting my beauty blender, so I'm just gonna spray it with this. Cool. I actually don't know what kind of look I want to do. I'm going to celebrate my birthday tonight with my mom, my dad, and my sister. We're going to get dinner, and then we're seeing The Incredibles because that was like our little family movie growing up. So yeah, we're gonna go see that. I actually already saw it, but my parents want to see it again with us, and I actually really want to see it again, so I'm excited. Yeah, it was so good. Definitely go see it. Amazing. I'm so excited to see it again. Yeah, we're going to Benihana, you guys. Benihana has my soul. It has my corazón. We love her. We love her. Do you guys see this on my nose? Like, I don't know what the fuck that is, but it's just like a little red patch. I just look great. I don't know what kind of eyeshadow look I want to do. I don't want to look like too crazy extra, but it is my birthday celebration, so. Am I the only one that thinks birthdays are like hella dumb? Like, congratulations, like you lived another year, like. You know, I think I'm just gonna use the Dose of Colors Blushing Berries palette. But yeah, I'm just gonna use berry tones because it's my birthday and I'm allowed to, and I want to because it's my birthday. So you guys can't say anything about it because it's my birthday. Yeah, I'm just gonna take this cola, mix with this one. Hello. But you guys know I love a good cranberry eye. Kind of been holding back on it because I do cranberry looks way too much. So I've been holding back on it lately, but today I'm just going all out cranberry. And no one can say anything because it's my birthday. I was patrolling the pachinko and deducting, and nobody was home. La 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 la. You guys, I literally have just been listening to the Mr. and Mrs. Smith soundtrack. Like, I love all the songs so much. I know that's so weird. Do people actually listen to like soundtracks? Is that like a thing? I know my one friend, she literally, I swear to God, the only thing she listens to is One Direction and fucking the Hamilton soundtrack. That's like the only soundtrack I've ever looked up or listened to. I was watching the movie, I was like, holy shit, they got some good ass fucking songs. So yeah, that's been the vibe lately. Should I just do like a cranberry smoky eye? I feel like, yeah. You guys, I'm so excited. I'm going back to LA. I feel like it's been way too long since I've seen Daisy and Shelby. And yeah, so I'm gonna vlog that too. I'm going to LA for like 4 days or something. So I'm actually flying in on my birthday, which is gonna kind of suck, but like whatever, it's fine. Yeah, I literally leave Monday night at like 3. Actually, no, technically Tuesday at like 3 in the morning, which is just gonna be so much fun. Like, happy birthday, Tina. Those flights fucking kill me, man. I have scoliosis and the flight is like 6 hours. It's longer on the way there than it is back, and of course it's gonna be longer on like my actual birthday, so that's great. Yeah, we got like a nice little Airbnb. Oh my god, I don't know why we keep getting Airbnbs when we've almost died like, I don't know, like 4 or 5 times already in those, but like we love Airbnb. Like we love Airbnb. We're not even fucking sponsored by them, honestly. We wish. But we are gonna be filming a bunch of videos. We're gonna be filming Airbnb story times finally. Like, everyone always asked, they're like, wait, so what happened with that Airbnb? Like, well, there's like multiple stories actually. I feel like you guys only like heard about one. We didn't even tell you guys like the full story. So we're gonna tell all our stories. I'm pretty sure there's like at least 3 or 4 like crazy ones. Yeah, I'm just really excited. I don't even know what I'm wearing on my birthday. I'm like I don't like dressing up fancy. Okay, let's just put that out there. I really don't like it. But Daisy's like that one friend that like makes you go extra, you know? Like, I literally just want to wear like sweats on my birthday. Like, that would be the ideal situation for me. Thanks. I'm also gonna be filming a morning routine, like extra as fuck, in this like nice ass house. So that'll be fun. So I'm already gonna be in LA when this video goes up. Oh my god, what am I doing? Wrong brush. Fuck. Fuck! Is that blooded? I can't even fucking tell. Excuse me. God, I need to get my eyebrows done so bad. Like, there's so many little fucking loose hairs everywhere. I'm like annoyed. Ow! Ah, ow! Why is this being so weird right now? Can you cooperate, please? It's my birthday. I'm gonna take some black. So I like literally didn't even tell you guys like what I was using. And you can't see my face. Great. But I'm gonna take a little bit of black. Oh, yeah. Oh, no. No. No! Black was a huge mistake. Fuck my life. Shit. I should have done something glitter. I feel like that's more birthday appropriate, but like I used to love glitter. Glitter used to be my bitch. We loved her. We had, you know, it was just great. But I literally don't like glitter now, like at all. Why? Oh my god, come on. Really? Ugh. What else do I have to do? Okay, I'm just gonna line my lash line and we'll move on to the lashes. And I'm switching it up today. I'm using something new and I'm really excited to show you guys what it is because I actually really fucking love it and I'm excited to tell you guys and let you in. Okay, yeah, so now for lashes. I already just went ahead and applied a thin little line of eyeliner. I'll be using the Kiss Lash Couture Triple Push-Up Collection. I'm gonna show you guys each lash. So these are my favorites right here. These are the ones I'll be using today. These are the Brazier, yes. Go Tina. I've already worn these actually a couple times, so I can already let you guys know that they wear really well. They're not like those type of lashes that you wear one time and throw out. You can definitely get a couple uses in them. But this is what the ones I'll be applying look like. I'm gonna show you guys the other lashes as well. So these right here are the Garter's lashes. These are the Bustier lashes. These are the Camisole lashes, super dramatic. And then the Corset lashes. So these lashes actually have a triple design technology. They're designed with 3 different patterns, thickness, and density results. So it gives you a high impact effect that enhances volume, defines length, and gives you an eye lifting curl. It's actually patent pending, so basically, and it's super innovative because it has 3 lash designs in 1 strip. And the reason that I was super excited to partner with them because these are super high quality lashes. Like I said, I've already gotten like 2 or 3 wears with just these lashes and they still look amazing. And they're super inexpensive. It's only $6.99. Again, you can find it at Ulta, Walgreens, or Walmart. I'm just gonna be using their lash adhesive. So this is their strip lash adhesive with biotin and blueberry, and it's latex free. So if you guys are allergic to latex, this will be perfect for you. This is like a brush on eye glue, which are my favorite. I don't know why, but I can't use the lash glue that you have to like squeeze out of a tube, you know? This is my favorite. You can just like brush it on, and this is the color black, so it'll blend really nice, so you won't have that kind of like bluish tint on your lash band. And my #1 tip for applying false lashes: wait until after your lash is applied to apply the mascara. It makes it a lot easier to like maneuver around your eyes if you don't have mascara already on. I feel like that's everyone's like #1 mistake, is applying mascara before you apply your lashes. So yeah, just wait 30 seconds after you apply the lash glue until you apply it onto your eye. This way it'll become tacky and it'll stick to your eye easier. I start off right in the middle, make sure it's applied right where I want to. And then I take it from the outer corner first and just apply it down there. Hold it down for like a few seconds just so it sticks. And then go on the inner corner. This is like the one area that I feel like is really difficult to keep on. But if you just apply it and then hold it down, it should stick and it won't pop off. Like when I first started makeup, my inner lash line was just like always sticking out. So yeah, that was super annoying, but finally figured it out. And Kiss also has an app where you can virtually try on basically 50 styles of lashes. So that way you can see like what flatters your eyes, what lashes will look like, you know, because when you like see it like this, you know, you can't really tell what it'll actually look like. So you can virtually actually try them on, which I think is so cool. I'm gonna show you guys the app right now. I'm gonna put a little text screen right here. So once you actually do find what lash style you like best, you can actually purchase it directly on the app. I forgot how to screen record. How do you screen record? How to screen record. Oh, okay, cool. Okay, cool. This is the app right here. This is what it'll look like in the app store right here. So you can actually just click on the camera And then yeah, here I am looking amazing. Yeah, you get the point. Oh my god, that is so ugly. Holy shit. Wow, I just don't look great, but you get the point. You take your picture, use the photo. Yeah, they have all their different lashes right here. They have over 50 styles, which is insane. But yeah, you get the point. And then you can just purchase it right on the app. Anyways, let's move on to the face. I'm gonna use my Couture Power Fabric Foundation. Back on my bullshit with this one. Oh, I need to wet this. I really just don't want to stand up and wet it, so I'm gonna use my rose water spray because I'm fucking fancy. I need a tan, you guys. It's been so long since I've even like fake tanned. I look like death. I look like, what's that one guy from Lord of the Rings? Schmeagol? That little like gremlin ass. I don't even know what it is. Elf. Is it? I don't even know what it is, but that's what I look like. It's actually funny. I get a lot. Okay, so do you guys want to hear what I get in my comments sometimes? So I either get the Grinch, Jenny Humphrey from Gossip Girl. It's like the most offensive comment to me. If I see Jenny Humphrey in my fucking comments, I delete that shit. I will block you. Don't call me Jenny Humphrey, please. No, I'm kidding. I don't block anyone, but like, yeah, so I get Jenny Humphrey, I get the Grinch, or like just like the Who people, because my fucking nose, people say I look like a Who from Whoville. Oh, I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape at, oh my god, what is that? Huh, what is that? This is why you wash your beauty blender before you use it. Mostly just kind of like sharpening up this edge of the eyeshadow. Okay, so that's pretty much my base done. Now I'm gonna go ahead and set everything using my Laura Mercier powder. I feel like this lasts a little bit longer on me, and I definitely want this to stay on. Like this past week, I haven't gotten a facial in way too long. It's been way too long since I went. And when you don't get your skin like cleared out and you don't get, you know, everything extracted, and just because I feel like facials are kind of like a refresher with your skin, so I've had a lot of like oil kind of building up, so my skin has been a little bit on the oilier side lately. So this one is a little bit more like matte in the long run, I feel like, over the hourglass. Okay, and then for blush, I'm just using my MAC Peaches. And for my highlight, I'm gonna use Anastasia on Reezy, of course, my bitch. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do my lower lash line off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so the lower lash line is done. The ponytail is here. Love her, you guys. This is like my favorite hairstyle to do right now because it's so easy. And yeah, now for my lips, I'm gonna use 2 different doses of colors liquid lipstick. So this is Let's Cuddle, and I'm gonna apply sand on top of it. Now sand on top, you can see this one's like a little bit too orange. If you guys are interested in checking out Kiss Lashes, I'll have a link down below at the top of my description box so you guys can go check them out. Okay, so now on to today's giveaway. I'll be giving away the palette that I used to achieve this look today. So I'll be giving away a Dose of Colors Blushing Berries eyeshadow palette. This is mine right here. It's used, but I did buy a second one of this so I can give it away to one of you guys. I actually bought doubles of every single one. If you guys want any of the other ones, stay tuned for my other videos because I'll probably be giving them away like one by one, you know? So as always, there are 4 rules to enter. The first rule is to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. The second rule is to give this video a thumbs up. And then the third rule is to turn on your post notifications. If you guys don't know what that is, where it is, or what it does, it's the little bell button right next to the subscribe button. It'll notify you every single time that I upload. Then the last rule to enter is to comment when you are done, and also go ahead and leave any place I can contact you guys. So an email, an Instagram, a Twitter, a Snapchat, just anywhere I can message you guys if you want, so I can get your address and ship it to you and stuff. Yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.